Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the Canva desktop app on your Mac device. So if this video has been helpful, I would really appreciate a like and subscribe to this channel. Let's get into it. Go to Google and start typing in download Canva for Mac. And then it'll be this first link right here, Canva for Mac desktop app, download for free, press that. And then we can see right here, Canva for Mac, press this purple button. And then it's going to, if you're on Google Chrome, it's going to start downloading and you can see the download history by clicking this button and you can see the progress bar. Give it a little second to complete the download of the installer. So guys, we can now see that Canva installer has downloaded and you can basically open the downloads folder by pressing this button. And that's going to bring you to where your download has been saved. From there, what you need to do is double click and then drag the Canva app into your applications folder, as we can see right here. And then it's actually going to add Canva in a little second. There's Canva right there. And then from there, double click on Canva and it's going to open it, and you can see it's now starting to run and open in the bottom right of the screen. And now it says, almost in the app, log in or sign up to Canva through your browser. Then we'll bring you right back here to the desktop app. So I'm going to press log in through browser. And then I'm going to press continue. Open Canva. And there guys, we have completely downloaded Canva on this Mac device. It's completely installed and running successfully. So guys, if this video has been helpful, I would really appreciate a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if you do have a question or comment, please feel free to leave them down below and I'll answer as soon as possible. Thanks very much.